Church Nick Fury Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I was rumors. It's a forgotten TV movie of Nick Fury. Now, it aired in 1988. It was made for the Fox network. Even though some... And of course, there David Hasselhoff as Nick Fury, as well as also Lisa Rinna. And... It also starred voice of Optimus Primal himself, Gary Chalk. It also had Sandra Hassan, who played Sonya Blade in Mortal Kombat Annihilation. Okay, a lot of people give that movie shit, but... You know... This is only one of a few things I've seen. I'll say that. Now, this movie is often kind of remembered as one of the most forgotten Marvel adaptations. It's often considered to be kind of a so bad it's good one and kind of cringy. This movie was meant to launch a TV series. It was meant to be a series. Basically, it was meant to be like the superhero equivalent of the X-Files, basically. That's kind of when it was meant to launch. It was basically a superhero equivalent of the X-Files. However, the show didn't. However, Nick Fury, Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. didn't become a TV series. There was Gary Chalk right there. He was Optimus Primal himself. Beast Wars. This movie was also. It was actually made in Canada, I believe. Fun fact: the script for this was actually written by David Esquire. Now, David Esquire is a pretty big name nowadays. Now, around the same time, this is when he wrote the script for the first Blade movie. Even though now David Esquire is credited, but he didn't actually really write this movie. Parts of a script he wrote for Nick Fury's future film were just integrated. Okay, now backstory behind this. This film was originally envisioned as a feature film, with David Esquire actually writing a script. David Esquire has around this time wrote a lot of scripts for unproduced Marvel adaptations. He wrote a script for a Ghost Rider and Doctor Strange adaptation that didn't get made, as well as a script for one that did get made, Blade. Albeit one that had some modifications. Some by Goyer himself, others by other people. You know, Blade was of course a mass success for Goyer. It was actually his first real successful feature film script he ever wrote. So, yeah. Yeah, it's written by David Goyer. Now, sometimes he's listed as David S. Goyer. Now, David S. Goyer, of course, he also worked on Ghost Rider, as the finished Ghost Rider movies as an executive producer and co-writer on the second one.